To all the Chevy Silverado owners out there, thank you for making Chevy Silverado the #1 best-selling retail full-size pickup.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good Friday morning to you. I'm Kelli Rosson in for Ben Luna on this warmer Friday morning, at least compared to yesterday. Temperatures starting off in the 40s here on your Build Your Day forecast, brought to you by Parks Lumber Company, eventually reaching the low to mid 60s. We are going to have winds gusting out of the south, bringing us some warmer air for this December Friday. We are going to see a mixture of sunshine and clouds throughout the rest of today, with a few rain showers possible after 6 p.m. and continuing into the overnight hours. Let's go ahead and see how exactly that's going to play out, and we do have also a lot to talk about with Saturday's forecast, with the potential for strong storms here in the Tennessee Valley. I will talk all things timing as well as the potential threats that we are expecting here in just a minute. But let's go ahead and get through the rest of today first. Again, winds will be blowing about 15 miles an hour with some gusts 20 to 25 miles an hour for this afternoon. But heading into the rest of this morning, we are going to see those temperatures warm up nicely into the lower 60s by the afternoon hour, with a couple sprinkles throughout the area heading into the rest of your evening. But again, chances not all that great. The definitely higher rain chances going to be on Saturday afternoon and evening. But until then, again, just a few spotty showers throughout your Friday night and Saturday. We will see a period of dry weather ahead of the main complex of showers and thunderstorms. So winds will still be pretty gusty on Saturday. In fact, they will be pretty gusty until we get through this weather system on Sunday. But overall, for Saturday afternoon and evening, we do expect strong storms pretty much everywhere in the Tennessee Valley viewing area, our 14 core counties, and we will continue to monitor these threats and what exactly we can expect. So let's go ahead and break down at least the timing for these storms. Now, I will say a few models have started to speed up this system heading into Saturday. So right now we are thinking the afternoon, evening into the early overnight hours for the bulk of the showers and thunderstorms. Again, very widespread. Everybody, and I mean everybody, will see at the very least some heavy rainfall here in the region, with the potential for some strong to potentially severe storms heading into the afternoon and evening. This is 4 o'clock. Again, I do think we could start to see some showers and storms pop up by this time, but then the bulk and the main line coming through later on during the evening hours, continuing into the overnight hours with a few lingering showers for your Sunday. But then that weather system gets on out of here pretty quickly for your Sunday afternoon and evening, clearing out, but will be cooling down significantly with winds blowing out of the north just as fastly and strongly as they were blowing out of the south, ushering in some cooler air behind that front. But we will be dry after Sunday afternoon is all said and done. So as far as any sort of potential threats with these storms, it is severe weather season here in the South, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi included in that. So there is the potential for a few tornadoes for Saturday afternoon and evening. Still a very conditional front, confidence not all that high. However, we do have the threat for a few tornadoes here in the Tennessee Valley. Not a tornado outbreak by any means, but it is something we are going to be keeping a very close eye on. Damaging winds also likely, with gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour possible. And even aside from any strong to severe storms that do develop, we will be seeing wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour just due to the overall gradient winds. Hail on the bottom of the totem pole, but pea to dime size hail certainly not out of the question. And as far as rainfall goes, we are looking at potentially up to 3 inches of rain for some spots of the Tennessee Valley, and overall 1.5 to 2.5 inches. So we are going to be monitoring a flooding threat, although we are in a drought, just because that rainfall will be falling pretty quickly, at least in a window of time. So overall, be sure to stay informed with the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. You can scan to download our free app in all app stores. You can watch the radar with us, and you can see all of our video updates on our free Tennessee Valley weather app. So be sure to check that out. As far as rain chances go, Not the greatest rain chance for the rest of today. Again, just a few spotty showers possible for the evening and overnight. And then heading into your Saturday, a 70% chance of rain before that main complex of rain. And we are going with a 100% chance, full confidence that everybody will get rainfall and will get a good helping of rainfall. So we are glad about that because we do need the rain. However, we are, of course, going to stay on our toes with the threat for some stronger storms in the forecast. Heading throughout your Sunday, the chances will decrease as the hours go on, making way for a dry second half of your Sunday, and then beyond Sunday we will be dry as well. Now for today, temperatures again going to be on the warmer side, lower 60s for southern middle Tennessee, mid 60s for northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi due to those winds bringing in that warmer air. Temperatures tonight getting down into the low to mid 50s across the Tennessee Valley. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast. We have highlighted Saturday in red due to the threat for those strong storms during the afternoon and evening hours. Of course, stay tuned to the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. We will continue to keep you updated and check for my update at noon with the newest and latest weather information for Saturday's storm update. And then those showers will be ending on Sunday with the second half being dry but chilly. We go from the low to mid 60s Friday and Saturday into just the upper 40s Sunday and Monday, back into the 50s by Tuesday with plenty of sunshine, going to be looking a lot nicer than it is outside. Let's check out your local weather forecast. Stay tuned. I am back with you at noon with another weather update.